Hey, good morning, guys. I am having some issues with my iPhone this morning, or yesterday I was, so hopefully this video is going to take. And I want to encourage you to make sure that what you do as you're training, and hopefully you are exercising and training, or you're in training specifically for learning new sales ideas and strategies and programming your mind for success, make sure that you're using good, high quality protein. And this morning I've got a smoothie, just showed that to you, from Smoothie King. Chose the shredder with Diet Down Enhancer in it and lots of protein. And the reason that I did that is it's important to feed your body and your mind good stuff. I also had some fresh raspberries this morning, and I had some raw almonds. So make sure you're putting good stuff into your body and into your mind, reading some great books this morning.